At Roof Repair Simi Valley, we understand that high winds can cause significant damage to your roof, often without immediate visible signs. Recognizing the indicators of wind damage early can prevent more severe issues and costly repairs down the line. Here are key signs to look for after a windstorm. 1. Missing or damaged shingles. High winds can lift and remove shingles, leaving your roof's underlayment exposed to the elements. Even if shingles appear intact, they may be loosened or cracked, compromising their effectiveness. Regularly inspect your roof for missing shingles, visible gaps where shingles are absent, cracked or torn shingles, shingles with visible fractures or tears, curling or peeling, edges of shingles lifting away from the roof surface. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent water infiltration and further damage. 2. Granule loss. Asphalt shingles are coated with granules that protect them from ultraviolet rays and enhance durability. High winds can dislodge these granules, leading to bare spots, areas on shingles where granules are missing. Granules in gutters. Accumulation of granules in your gutter system. Granule loss accelerates shingle deterioration and reduces your roof's lifespan. 3. Damaged soffit and fascia. The soffit and fascia are critical components that protect your roof's structural integrity. High winds can cause cracks or breaks, visible damage to these elements. Loosening or detachment, sections pulling away from the roof line. Compromised soffit and fascia can lead to moisture intrusion and pest infestations. 4. Gutter damage. Strong winds often carry debris that can impact and damage your gutter system. Signs to watch for include dents or bends, visible deformities in the gutter material, detached sections, gutters pulling away from the roof edge. Damaged gutters impede proper water drainage, increasing the risk of water damage to your home's foundation and exterior. 5. Indoor leaks and water stains. After a windstorm, inspect your home's interior for water stains, discoloration on ceilings or walls, peeling paint or wallpaper, indications of moisture infiltration. These signs often point to roof damage, allowing water ingress, necessitating immediate attention. Unique insight. Did you know? Even if shingles appear intact after a windstorm, the adhesive sealant strip that holds them in place may be compromised, making them susceptible to future wind damage. Connect with us at Roof Repair. Simi Valley, we are proud of our BBB-accredited A+ rating, 5-star Google reviews, and status as an Owens Corning preferred contractor. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing thorough inspections and high-quality repairs to ensure your roof remains in optimal condition. If you've experienced high winds in the Simi Valley area, contact us to schedule a professional roof assessment. Frequently asked questions. 1. How soon after a windstorm should I inspect my roof? It's advisable to inspect your roof as soon as it's safe to do so, after a windstorm, to identify and address any damage promptly. 2. Can I perform the roof inspection myself? While you can conduct a preliminary inspection from the ground, it's recommended to hire a professional roofer for a comprehensive assessment, especially if you suspect damage. 3. Will my homeowner's insurance cover wind damage repairs? Most policies cover wind damage, but coverage can vary. Review your policy details and consult with your insurance provider to understand your specific coverage. 4. How can I protect my roof from future wind damage? Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and ensuring proper installation of roofing materials can enhance your roof's resilience against high winds. 5. What wind speed can cause roof damage? Winds as low as 45 miles per hour can cause minor damage, while speeds above 58 miles per hour can lead to significant damage, including missing shingles and structural issues. If you want to know how much a small repair of a leaking roof costs, click here. The post, High Winds Can Damage Your Roof. Here's how to tell, first appeared on Roof Repair, Simi Valley.